There are a total of 20 pupils. 3 pupils study French and Spanish. 5 pupils study neither. 10 pupils study French. How many pupils study Spanish only? Well, it seems like there's only French and Spanish in this question, so we do 2 circles. Label this one French, this one Spanish. 5 pupils study neither. Well, that one's easy. Put the 5 on the outside because it doesn't belong to any of these circles. 3 pupils study French and Spanish. That 3 goes where the Spanish and French circles overlap. 10 pupils study French. Now it would be a mistake to put 10 here. Why? Because now if you look at the French circle, that's 10 and 3 makes 13. I don't have 13 pupils that do French. Already got 3 people in the French circle. I know this overlaps. These students also study Spanish, but those 3 pupils study French, so I need 7 more. 7 and 3 makes 10. 10 pupils study French. Right, I'm going to make use of this number now. There are 20 pupils altogether. So how many do we have so far? 7 and 3 is 10. 10 and 5 is 15. 15 add something to get 20. There's 5 there. A total of 18 pupils this time. 8 pupils study German, 9 pupils study French, 3 study neither. How many pupils study both subjects? Basically, trying to work out what number goes in the overlap part. 3 study neither, so that definitely goes on the outside. Right, it's not safe to put 8. Even though it says 8 people study German, I would not want to put 8 in here. Because some of those 8 pupils will be studying French. And similarly, I couldn't put 9 here because some of those 9 students could be learning German. So that's not safe to put there. What I do know is that there are 15 pupils represented within the circles. 15 pupils, I know that because 18 take away 3, 18 take away 3 leaves you with 15. So 15 pupils study a subject, or both subjects. So what I do now, you can guess the number here. I mean, you can try. I mean, this is not a way I would do it, but this is something I can show you. You can try 1. Maybe there's 1 student that studies both German and French. So in that case, for the German, you'd put 7 there. 7 and 1. There are 7 and 1 pupils within the German circle. That's 8 people. That makes 8 pupils. And then you got 9 pupils that study French. So 1 adds something to give me 9. That makes 9. But what does that make altogether? 7 add 1 is 8. 8 add 8 is 16. 16 add 3 is 19. Right? You can't have 19 pupils. Where does this extra pupil come from? So that 1 wasn't good. And you can try another number and another number and so on so. But if these numbers are big numbers, then it could take you a long time to find that number. So we need a technique. So what you do is, well, we've done 18 take away 3 to give you the 15. So we've got 15 to use in the circles. Then what you do is add these 2 numbers up together. 8 add 9. Then what you do is subtract this one. You subtract 15 away from 17. That leaves you with 2. That 2 goes right there. Now this becomes easy now. 2 add something to give me 8. And then 2 add something to give me 9. So you can check now. We've got 9 in the French circle. We have got 8 in the German circle. 3, that's neither. And we need to make sure, the most important thing is to make sure that these add up to the total number of pupils. 6 add 2, 8, 8 add 7 is 15, 15 add 3 is 18. So this one works. 30 pupils in total. 10 study neither French or German, so you can put that 10 outside. 18 pupils study French, 5 pupils study German, and obviously some of those pupils study both. Right, what we do first is we do 30, the total, take away pupils that don't study anything. So you've got 20 pupils to use within these circles. Then what you do is add these two numbers up, the French and the German, and then subtract 20 away from 23. That 3 goes right there. Now all you've got to do is look at the French circle, 18, something at 3 to give me 18. 15 add 3 makes 18. Now look at the German circle, 3 add something to give me 5. It's going to be 2. The most important thing is to check that these add up to 30. We've got 3 add 2 is 5, 5 add 15 is 20, 20 add 10 is 30.